Hello everyone, welcome back to Connie's cooking channel. Tonight we are going to do baby back ribs in my Instant Pot. So I've already seasoned my ribs and I'll leave those ingredients below. In my Instant Pot, I actually have this service here that's going to actually not allow the ribs to touch the bottom. So I have 2 cups of water in there. I'm going to put some liquid smoke in there. This is optional. It depends if you want it or not. Some people opt to use apple juice. It's your preference. Next, we are going to place our ribs with the meatier part at the bottom. Now, as you can see, the bones are on top here, and the meatier part is at the bottom. And I made like a circular shape. So we're going to go ahead and seal this. We're going to ensure that our pressure cooker is on seal. To set this on pressure cook. We're going to set it for 25 minutes. We're going to do a natural release for 5 minutes. Pull it out, put it in the oven at 400 degrees with our sauce, and it's going to be a done deal. See you back shortly. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a little bit over 5 minutes. I have actually put this on vent, waiting for our silver button to go all the way down. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the ribs I pulled out of the Instant Pot. I'm going to use some honey barbecue from Sweet Baby Ray's. Of course, you can use whatever barbecue sauce you want and as much as you want on your ribs. Ooh, these are going to be delicious. Like I said, my oven is already preset for 400. We're going to baste these right quick like this, okay? I did put foil on the bottom of this pan. It's on a rack. Them juices will flow. Ooh, doesn't that look good, y'all? Yes, Jesus. This is going to be good, y'all. Y'all know I ain't messing around. I will say, you know, semester's over with. Thank you, Jesus. It has been a tough semester. So, y'all forgive me. I haven't been, you know, doing this on a weekly basis. I think I may have missed 1 week. I did upload my fish. I will post that link at the bottom. It's only like a short video. It's my oven baked lemon pepper salmon, which turned out delicious. So, you know, just coat your ribs as you normally would do. As such, if you want more, go ahead and add more. This is going in the oven, like I said, on temperature of 400 for about 5 to 7 minutes. We're just going to go ahead and let this do what it does. See you back shortly. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is our finished product. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh my, let me get a close-up for you. Oh, about 7 minutes in the oven at 400. After it came out of the Instant Pot, and it looks delicious. Y'all ready to sample some? All right, give me 1 second. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna cut right into this end piece here. As you see, half of it's already gone, at least 2 bones of it. It's still warm. I had to get somebody to sample it for me. See how tender is the suey. Yeah. Ooh, yes. Had to use, you know, 2 hands. Hold the pan and cut it. But you see how tender that is? Look, when you know your ribs shake like that, you know it's tender and juicy. Look at that. Ooh, y'all get some? That looks delicious, doesn't it? This is so good, y'all. I put my foot in this, y'all. Don't forget to like this video, share the video with your friends and family. Leave a comment below. Hit the subscribe button when you see my photo at the top left-hand corner and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next upload. Until then, God bless you and have a wonderful evening. Thanks for watching.